The OnePlus Nord 4 will finally launch in India and other global markets on July 16. The full spec sheet, hands-on image and India price of the OnePlus Nord 4 have leaked online. The smartphone will be available in 3 color options: green, silver, and black. The OnePlus Nord 4 is tipped to come with a 6.74-inch OLED Tianma U8 Plus display. The panel supports 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 2150 nits of peak brightness. It will also feature an in-display fingerprint scanner. The OnePlus Nord 4 will also feature an alert slider, a USB-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, and an IP65 rating like the Ace 3V. The device is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chip, with 12/16GB of RAM, 256/512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. It will run on Android 14 OS out of the box. The OnePlus Nord 4 will feature a dual-tone back panel. The area under the camera sensors has a glossy finish, whereas the rest of the panel is expected to have a metal finish. A 50-megapixel main rear camera with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, a 16-megapixel selfie snapper. It features a 5,500 mAh battery with support for 100W fast charging. The OnePlus Nord 4 is also expected to be priced under 35,000 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.